Did you know that migratory birds have evolved super guts to survive in our changing suburban landscapes? These remarkable creatures are rewriting their own genetic code to stay alive. As our suburbs expand and soil erosion increases, these resourceful birds have developed an extraordinary adaptation in their digestive systems. Their bodies now produce specialized enzymes that break down nutrients with incredible efficiency, extracting maximum energy from less food. This enhanced digestion isn't just convenient, it's crucial for their epic migrations. Scientists discovered that these birds can absorb up to 30% more nutrients than their ancestors could just decades ago, storing vital energy for long-distance flights. This rapid evolutionary response shows nature's remarkable resilience in the face of environmental challenges. The bird's digestive systems have essentially become high-performance engines, turning less fuel into more flight power. What other amazing adaptations might these birds develop as our world continues to change?